Keith, so when they first said they were going to announce these numbers, which they normally don't do in the quarter, we speculated maybe because they were good numbers. How good were they?
They were a decent beat. I think most analysts were in a range of about 20,000 to 22,000, so they came in at 24. It bodes well for Elon meeting his goal of selling 50,000 in the second half of the year.
So they've said they're going to make the 50,000 number. At the same time, there's a big difference between 50,000 and the number they're talking about making with their new automobile. Are they on a track to meet those goals?
Those are very, very ambitious goals. You know, for the Model 3, the $35,000 electric car they have coming starting the end of next year is the plan. They're shooting to be building 500,000 cars a year, so that'll be a quantum jump for them. I'd say the jury's still out on that. The history of Tesla so far is they tend to be a little behind on their projections.
So they're doing better on their manufacturing, getting cars out the door. How are they doing on the financing? Are they making money yet? How close are they making money?
Well, that's the big push for the third quarter. You know, they're about to go out and raise some more funds, and they would like to show a profitable quarter. They don't have a strong history of profitability so far, but 24,000 sales should help.
And what about this merger that's upcoming? Is that going to help them on their finances and their cash flow?
That's also to be determined. It's been a very controversial merger given Elon's connections to both companies, but that's something that investors are very eager to see how it will turn out.
So we saw that the stock has bounced up. I think it's about 4% up last time I saw in the pre-market. How will investors react if they make their 50,000 number? Is that the key number, is the number of cars manufactured, or are investors going to be looking more closely at the dollars and cents?
Well, the more they can sell, the more likely they are to make money. So that's why the stock is up so much. They shot past expectations on their third quarter sales. It does give greater confidence that they'll hit this 50,000 target for the second half of the year. So that leads investors to believe that they'll finally make some money. There's been a lot of investor support for this company throughout a period of money losing. So if it looks like they're about to turn that corner and start making money, they're going to get even more support.
And is it right, just briefly, that they make more money off of each car as they make more? That's typically the case, but here there's an aberration, isn't there?
You know, what we have is cars with very rich profit margins. They're selling their SUV now as well as the Model S sedan. So, you know, the more they can sell of these, the better they will do at making money.